In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your Wix website under construction. Maybe you're redesigning your site, fixing a few issues, or just not ready to show it to the world yet. In this walkthrough, I'll show you 2 simple ways to hide your Wix site from visitors, completely unpublishing it or keeping it live but locking it behind a password. We'll go through each option step by step so you can choose what works best for you. First, log into your Wix account. After you sign in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and go to the Setup section if you're not already there. At the top right, you'll see a button that says Edit Site. Go ahead and click that to open your site in the Wix editor. Once the editor loads, look along the top menu bar for the option labeled Site, click on Site, and in the drop-down menu, choose Unpublished Site. When you click this, a pop-up window will appear. Sometimes it can take a few seconds to load, so just wait for it to fully appear. In this pop-up, you'll see a section near the top that says your site is currently published. Next to that, there's an Unpublished button. Click that button. Another confirmation message will appear explaining that once you unpublish, your website will no longer be visible to visitors. It also reassures you that you can always publish it again later from the editor. If you're sure you want to take the site offline, click the Unpublish button on this pop-up as well. Your site is now effectively under construction and no one will be able to access it through your domain. If you'd rather keep the site live but limit who can see it, you can use the password protection option instead. Again, in the top menu bar of the editor, this time click on Settings. In the drop-down, choose Site Password. A pop-up window will open. Here, select the option that allows only password holders to access the site. In the password field, type the password you want to use for your site. Make sure it's something you'll remember and only share it with the people you want to have access. When you're done, click Save. With this method, your site remains online, but visitors will see a password prompt before they can view any content. And that's it. You now know how to quickly put your Wix website under construction, either by unpublishing it completely or by protecting it with a password.